Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers with you again for hopefully yet another interesting lesson. This one is on a song called When I Look at You from Miley Cyrus. Hopefully you have seen my playthrough I did a couple of days ago, and I'll be teaching you everything that's in that playthrough. Okay, so basics, I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on fret 6, quite high up the neck. This enables us to play mainly easy chords, and also we're in the same key as Miley Cyrus's original recording, which is the key of F sharp. Okay, so we're starting off with the intro, and starting off with a straightforward A minor shape, and we strum a single strum from 5 down to 1. Then we play some single notes, and we need to bar the top two strings, the top E and the B string, on the first fret, and we go strings 2, 1, 2. Okay, so we got this so far, and then we go to a C chord, standard C chord, 5 down to 1. Holding the C chord, then we've got some more notes to play. We play again 2 strings 2, 1, 2. Okay, so now we've got A minor. Okay, then we go to a sort of G chord. I'm playing the G chord like this. That's what I call a reverse fingering G. Okay. But my pinky, instead of being on the top E string 3rd fret, is on the 2nd string 3rd fret, and I'm strumming down from 6 down to 2, not playing the top E string. Okay, if you're playing it like a standard fingering, the 3rd finger comes up from the top E string 3rd fret to the 2nd string 3rd fret. So now we've got this. Now what we do is we take off, in my case, the pinky, so the 2nd string is now open, and we strum down from 6 down to the 2nd string again with the open 2nd string, and then we put that first finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string to make a G sus4, 6 down to 2 again, don't play the top E. So now we've got okay, and the final chord is an F, and I'm playing it with C in the bass. You don't have to, you could just play a standard F if you want, but it sounds better I think if you play it as a F with C in the bass. This 3rd finger goes up to the 3rd fret of the 5th string, the A string, and your pinky takes over on the 4th string, 3rd fret from the capo, and you play 5 downwards. You don't play the bottom E. You could play a full bar chord if you wanted to. By all means, if you're comfortable with doing that, please do so. Okay, but as long as it's an F chord, simple one, C in the bass one, or a full bar chord, whichever. Okay, and that's your intro. Okay, so and then we're into the verse, and it's basically A minor. Everybody needs in C, G. Everybody needs a F, whichever F you're most comfortable with. Oh. And you just repeat that sequence for another 2 lines. Okay, so it's everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a soul. Beautiful melody when the night's so long. Okay, then we go into the pre-chorus, E minor, because there's no guarantee. Again, it's E minor to F, whichever F you like to play. Simple F, C in the bass F, or a full bar chord. Okay, so it's there's no guarantee. And then we go to C again. That this life is to a G, easy. And we're off into the chorus. Okay, so let's do the whole verse and let's do the whole thing up to the end of the pre-chorus. Okay, so right from the beginning. And play it again if you like. Everybody needs inspiration. Everybody needs a soul. Beautiful melody when the night's so long. Pre-chorus. There's no guarantee that this life is easy. Okay, now we're into the chorus. Right then, let's move to the chorus now. Okay, and the first chord of the chorus is C. Yeah, when C, my world, G is falling apart when there's A minor, no light, F to break up the dark. When C, I, G, I, A minor, look at you, F. So basically you've got two lots of C, G, A minor and F. Okay, so it comes out of that last line where it goes, we come into the pre-chorus where it goes, there's no guarantee that this life is easy. Okay, yes, when my world is falling apart and there's no light to break up the dark, that's when I look at you. And then we repeat the whole thing. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. So basically two bits of chorus exactly the same, different words. Okay, so then we go into another verse. Okay, it's exactly the same as verse 1 with different words, and again it goes from verse 1 into the pre-chorus, and then it does another whole chorus again made out of the two halves of the chorus. Okay, so when you come out of the second chorus, the only thing different about it is the last chord. So if we do the last chorus, okay, this is chorus 2, okay, so yeah, well, our world is falling apart and there's no light to break up the dark, that's when I look at you. All over again. When the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. Right, the last chord on the end of the second chorus is a B flat. Okay, you can either play it like that. So first fret, top E string from the capo there, top E string, first fret, and the other three fingers are playing the third fret from the capo on the fourth, third and second strings. But ideally I think a bar chord would sound better, so you can either bar the first fret and then put three fingers on the fourth, third and second strings, third fret, or use use a single bar with your third finger on the third fret of the fourth, third and second strings. Okay, so once again, that's second half of the second chorus, okay, where it goes, when the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. Okay, so we've ended up on the B flat, and then we go into the bridge section. So, and it's basically just mainly just single strums on about 4 chords. Okay, that's where it's like you appear. Okay, so it's basically a C to F to a G to an A minor. Okay, so it's you appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me all the way, every day, breathe that I breathe. And then the final one is just C. Don't you F know your G. Beautiful. Okay, so once again, the bridge section is C, F, G, and A minor. You only do that 3 times, and on the 4th time, it's just C, F, G. So it's you appear just like a dream to me, just like kaleidoscope colors that cover me. All I need, everything, breathe that I breathe. Here we go. Don't you know you're beautiful? And then it does a lead instrumental, and that's basically C. It's just 1 times round, C, G, A minor, F, and that's the instrumental over the top of that. Okay, just C, G, A minor and F, a bar of each. Okay, then we go into the chorus again, same as usual. It's like the second half of the normal chorus where it goes, when the waves, you know. So you do the instrumental, alright, when the waves are flooding the shore and I can't find my way home anymore, that's when I look at you. Final line is C, U, F, appear. So it's C, F, G, you appear just like a dream to me. And that's the end of the song. So it's an F with a C in the bass, but lift off the bar. So the top string is open. 5 downwards, all the way down, 5 down to 1. It's an F major 7. Okay, so the last line is just C. You appear just like a dream to me. So that's C, F, G, F major 7. Okay, and there's the complete song for you. Hopefully you've made sense to you. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.